In this video, I show you how to do a very hard cut shot, almost perpendicular to the rail, using severe right English. Okay, so I'm going to show you the best way to cut this straight into this pocket. It's past, well actually it's at the diamond, right at the diamond. It's a very hard cut, depending on where you're at. If you're here, it's a lot easier than right here, and much easier compared to right here. I'm going to try it this way. Well, let's start with this one. Get harder and harder, alright? So 2 diamonds out, balls on 1 diamond, and still do some right English just a little bit. And you hit the, basically you hit the bank slightly right before you hit that ball. That's the object. There you go. So it's not an easy shot, but it's makeable, you know. All right, let's try it again now. Middle position here. Much harder. This might not even be doable. It is. I've done it in a game, but doesn't mean it can happen. Just miss it and spin it. That was it, okay. As you can see, it's not doable constantly. I mean, you can't, it's not if you do it once or twice, that's good luck to you. You know. Alright, we're going to try a straight dead square. This is near impossible. The ball, even if I get it, well, not square, it's just slightly above it. The ball will kick out here no matter what. So you have to try to spin it that way. Alright. Severe right. Oh, that was that was it right there.